Trending Nam Dry Perfumes by Thai Beauty Shop. Price is 499 pesos. Mabango ba? Anong scent? Long-lasting ba? Let's find out. First is 20M. Here are the top, middle, and base notes. At ang scent niya ay very seductive na nakakaakit yung amoy. May pagkakonting sweet scent, floral scent na musky at very unique ng amoy na ito na hindi masakit sa ilong. Next is Liar. Ito yung top, middle, and base notes. This one is so unique. Green apple, fruity scent, but not sweet at all. Very refreshing lang yung amoy niya and powdery siya kapag nag-dry down. At ang lakas niya maka-summer vibe ha. Next naman ay Crazy. Crazy, oo, maki-crazy talaga kayo dito sa amoy nito. Ayan ang top, middle, and base notes. This one, medyo similar siya kay 20M, maybe because of bergamot, pero mas less ang pagka-sweet scent nito, more on fresh lemon, musky, konting floral scent, at ito yung literal na fresh ha, na bagong ligo scent. Kung favorite nyo yung 20M, magugustuhan nyo rin tong Crazy. Next ay Betrayal. Ito yung top, middle, and base notes. Ito pang lalaki siya for me, pero pwedeng unisex naman. Very fresh, fruity, citrusy, woody, na may konting spice at konting vanilla ang scent. Amoy poging, malinis, na gentleman, professional na lalaki ang amoy nito. Last but not the least ay ang Manipulator. Manipulator. O, okay na. Ayan, top, middle, and base note. Kung mahilig ka sa literal na floral scent, ito na yung amoy rosas, pero may pagka citrusy, may konting vanilla scent, and this one is giving a masungit na tita vibe. Ganon. Parang pang thunders ang amoy niya for me. Longevity, nagtatagal ba? Let me know kung gusto nyo ng part 2.